Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to play paghilom or healing by victory worship on ukulele. So now grab your uke and make sure it's in standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And here are the chords that we need to know for paghilom. We have G, D, E minor, C, and A minor. For the strumming pattern, we're going to play two strumming patterns. So the first one goes like this. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. Again. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. For the second strumming pattern, it goes like this. Down, 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 up. Again. Down, 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 up. For the chord progression of the intro, we have G, D, E minor, C, and A. For the first two chords, we're going to use the second strumming pattern. And for the third, fourth, and fifth, we're going to use the first strumming pattern. And it goes like this. We have G, D, E minor, C, A minor. Let's do it without me saying the chords. For the verse 1, we have G, D, E minor, C, A minor, G, D, E minor, C, and D. Now let's do it with me saying the chords. We have G, D, E minor, C, A minor, G, D, E minor, C, and D. Next, let's do it with me saying the chords and the lyrics. We have G, nasa iyong D, mga kamay, E minor, ang paghilom, C, ng iyong bay, A minor, Pakinggan ng D, inaalay, E minor, taglay, ang handog, C, ng pusong, nagsisisi, D, C. We have G, nasa iyong mga kamay, ang paghilom ng iyong bayan. Pakinggan ng inaalay, ang handog ng puso, nagsisisi. Next, for the verse 2, it's just the same with the verse 1 with the same chords and with the same strumming patterns. Now, let's do the verse 2 without me saying the chords. Ang ngalan mo ang may taglay ng pag-asa sa aming bukas. Kalugdan ng inaalay, ang handog ng puso, nagsisisi. For the pre-chorus, we need C, E minor, and D. So for the first and second chord, we're going to use the second strumming pattern, and for the chord of D, we're going to use the first strumming pattern, and it goes like this. We have C, E minor, D, C, E minor, D. Again. Now let's do the pre-chorus without me saying the chords. Iligtas mo kami. Iligtas mo kami. And we're going to chorus. So the chords that we need for the chorus, we have G, D, A minor, C. Again, G, D, A minor, and C. And it goes like this. So we're going to use the first strumming pattern for the entire chorus. Now let's do the chorus with me singing the lyrics. Mula sa langit, kami ay dinggin. Lunasan ng bayang, naghihinagpis. Sa iyong pag-ibig, palalayain at patatawarin. Next is bridge. The chords that we need for the bridge are D, E minor, C, D, E minor, A minor, G, and C. And the bridge goes like this. Now let's do the bridge with me singing the lyrics. Iyong dinggin at patatawarin. Ang bayan namin sa wika-wika. Iyong dinggin at patatawarin. Ang bayan namin sa wika-wika galing. After the bridge, you can go back to the chorus and do the outro with the chords of G, D, E minor, C, and A minor. And that ends our tutorial for today, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. So give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.